Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore apps icon back to default on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here's to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on themes. You will see themes here, so click on themes. Now here, so click on, you will see default is here, so click on defaults. So if you want to restore apps icon back to default on Samsung Galaxy, so click on apply. So you will see applying theme. So after the process you will see theme is applied. So that's how you can restore apps icon back to default on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.